Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Magandang umaga po, Father.
Aside from monthly recollections, we also have retreats in the seminary, once or twice a year, depende. And usually, it's in the beginning of the year or the semester. And I really look forward to these retreats and recollections. Pahinga po kasi ito. Wala kang ibang gagawin. Magdadasal, a-attend ng conference, kakain, matutulog ng maaga, late gigising, kakain ng masarap na breakfast, ng tahimik, magdadasal, magsisimba, maglalaro, repeat. Literal na masarap ang buhay tuwing may retreat, to the point that sometimes this become our comfort zones. One time, my friend told me after our 8-day silent retreat, sabi niya, nabitin yata ako. Parang gusto ko pang mag-extend. Dear friends, today is the feast of the Transfiguration of Christ on the mountain. Alam niyo po, a mountain in the scriptures symbolizes a place of retreat, of silence, and of solitude. Ito po yung lugar ng Diyos. Ito yung banal na lugar. Ito yung lugar ng kapayapaan. Jesus was transfigured on the mountain together with Moses and Elijah. May boses pa nga. This is my beloved son. Listen to him. Pero heto na si Pedro. Nagpabibo na naman. Sabi niya, Lord, paano ba? Gawa tayo ng tent, para sa inyo. Isa sa'yo, isa kay Moises, at isa kay Elijah. At alam niyo po kung ano ang implication ng sinabi niya? Dito na lang tayo sa bundok, Lord. Masaya dito. Ulap-ulap lang. Puti-puti. Walang problema. Walang hirap. Okay dito. Huwag na tayo bumaba. Comfort zones. And you see, many times, we get so used to our different situations, positions, routines, relationships, or even circumstances. Kahit alam mong mali, okay na yan. Komportable na ako dito Kahit alam mong delikado, okay lang yan. Ito na yung nakasanayan ko Kahit alam mo kung ano yung mas tama, okay na din yan sa dati. Pwede na yan. Para di na tayo mag-adjust. Papahirapan pa ba natin yung ating sarili? You see, we are so afraid to venture into something unknown to us. Dear friends, yes, Jesus was transfigured on the mountain, and it is an affirmation of our future glory with God. It is a foretaste of what can happen to us at the end of time. But we cannot stay forever on that mountain. Jesus needs to go down, experience pain, rejection, betrayal, scourging, and even crucifixion, and be triumphant over death. There will be a time when we have to leave our comfort zones and take a leap of faith. There will be a time when we need to descend from our mountain of comforts, complacency, and even false reality. Kailangan po nating harapin ang tunay at totoong buhay. And our life is a series of ascending and descending our own mountains. Minsan puro ups, minsan puro downs, minsan puro successes, minsan naman puro kamalasan at sakit ng ulo. Minsan puro ngiti, tawanan at pangarap. Pero minsan puro din sakit, luha at disappointments. And so let us always keep in mind that comfort zones are fine. but there is no growth in there. Challenges are better, but they can also be very painful, difficult, and unrewarding. Now, will you stay on your mountain or will you go down? Amen.